Hi viewers, today we're looking at the position function within MySQL Workbench. The position function basically finds out what character a substring of a full string starts at within that substring value. So I'll start off by entering select, space, and then control space and paging down to find position. Tabbing on that, and then within that I'm going to enter ES as the substring I want to find, and I want to find ES within the full string of tests. Oops. Oops. There we go. Sorry. You could enter ES and then in and then test. So it looks for the characters ES in the value test, and run that and see what it does. As you can see, it's saying 2, so ES, starting with E there, starts from the second character of test, and that's the position function within MySQL Workbench.